Good evening and Jai Shri Mataji. Can we have some music till we wait, I think? Good evening, friends. We welcome you once again to another experience of Sahaja Yoga meditation. Initially, we will take our Kundalini and take the Bandhan. Let us take the Bandhan together.
Let us put ourselves into bandhan after raising our kundalini. Raise. Attention on your Sahasrara. Don't close your eyes. Push back your head. 1. Again. Sit straight. Take it up on your head. 2. 3. Now a bandhan. 1. 2. Do it properly, systematically. 3. All of us should do properly. 3. 4. 5. Try to wait as I'm doing. 6. 7.
We will now do the balancing of our subtle body and thereby our gross body as well. For the balancing, we would like all of us to sit in a foot soak water if we have arranged for the water. And even if you have not, we can just start the balancing. In case you have brought your water, please place both your feet into the water. And let us start with balancing our left channel. We will place our left hand on our lap and the right hand towards the Mother Earth. And here we will pray, Holy Mother, please remove all obstructions that is there in our left channel towards the Mother Earth completely. Friends, if it's possible, kindly light a candle where you're meditating. Holy Mother, please remove all the impurities, the conditionings, the imbalances of our left channel towards the Mother Earth completely. Let us bring our right hand back to our lap. We take our left hand upwards, facing it towards the sky. Here we will pray, Holy Mother, please remove all imbalances, excess heat, overactivity of our right channel towards the sky. Holy Mother, please purify and calm down my right channel. We will place both our hands in the lap. We can now take our hands towards the Mother Earth, both our hands towards the Mother Earth. And here we will pray to our Mother Kundalini to balance our central system. Holy Mother, please remove all impurities of my central channel towards the Mother Earth. Holy Mother, please let me feel the balance on my central channel. Let us bring our hands back to our lap. We can now place our right hand on our left heart. Here we will take a deep breath and utter in our minds 4 times Jagadamba. Jagadamba, 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 Jagadamba. Hold it for some time and release your breath. Once again, breathe in your minds 4 times Jagadamba. Jagadamba, 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 Jagadamba. Hold it. Breathe out. Again, breathe in 4 times Jagadamba. Jagadamba, 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 Jagadamba. Hold it. Slowly breathe out. Now we can place our right hand on our foreheads. Here we will utter thrice. Om Hum. Om Hum. Om Hum. In our minds, we will forgive everyone. We will forgive ourselves without feeling guilty. We can now take our hands back on the back of our head. Tilt your head a little bit towards the back. Here we utter thrice. Om Sham. Om Sham. Om Sham. Here we will ask from the Paramatma to forgive us for committing any mistakes, knowingly or unknowingly. We can bring our hands back to our lap. and sit for a few minutes in meditation. We will have a speech of Shri Mataji talking about the Nabhi Chakra. Handing over now to Sangeeta. She will explain you a little bit. And before that, you can sit for your foot soaks for some more time if you're feeling good, not more than 10 minutes. And after that, you can wind up your foot soak while Sangeeta will explain to us about the Nabhi Chakra.
Thank you, Neetu. I think we'll listen to Shri Mataji's photo. All of you can either rinse your feet and then listen to Shri Mataji's talk, and then and please sit in with your attention on Sahasrara. Okay, so let's take a bandhan now. You can just wind up and let's take a bandhan, and then we'll sit in meditation and watch Shri Mataji's talk.
Yeah, we can take a few minutes to dispose of our foot soak water also.
So I'll try to tell you about Sri Lakshmi, the symbol of Lakshmi. Sri Lakshmi is the symbol of the completeness of womanhood. She brings wealth, prosperity, auspiciousness. She brings in understanding, generosity, peace, and joy. She is the giver of all the blessings. The symbol of Lakshmi is that she stands on the lotus, which is pink in color. Pink color is the warmth of a motherhood. In India, even a small girl is called as mother. So in the various aspects of Lakshmi, the symbol is that first, she is a very warm person. Also in one hand she has the lotus, which is also pink in color. That also suggestive of her warmth. Even a funny type of a moth with all kinds of thorns attached to his body enters into a lotus, he finds a place where he can rest. She makes all the guests to come in her house and have the best bed and the best food. Normally, the men bring in a guest and the wife receives him and looks after him. So, it is suggestive that we have to look after any type of a guest who comes to our house and should completely devote ourselves to the looking after of the guest who is from outside. She is standing on the lotus and wearing also a pink sari. That is, you have to have balance to stand on a thing like lotus, because she is surrounded by water. And there are many animals around it, beast-like people who try to entice her. So she has to have a complete balance. Also, she has two hands with the lotus, and with two other hands she is giving, and with another hand she is blessing. This one means that she should be generous, she should be giving always to others, not for herself. She should not spend all the money on herself and nothing for the children or for the guests or for others. So it is the Lakshmi who has to give, who has to be generous. I have seen those people in Sahaja Yoga are generous. Their wives may not be, and then they suffer a lot. But if the wife is generous, she is rewarded. The whole family is rewarded 100 times. Generosity is like this, that you have one door open through which everything is coming in, and you open another door by giving. So there's a very good circulation. I enjoy my generosity the most, if it is generosity. And generosity is so rewarding, that it is unbelievable how the divine forces help a person who is generous. I'll give you an example. I had a friend who said she wanted a sari from the foreign countries, these imported saris. And I had two of them, and I told another lady who was very miserly that I would like to give away these two saris to her. So she said, "You have only these two left now, why do you want to give her the sari?" She was miserly type. We were talking in the kitchen, but somebody rang the bell and I opened the door. He had brought two saris from Africa because some lady who had gone to Africa had sent them. So I said, "Why did she send me saris?" He said, "Because you had given her saris when she went, so she has sent you these." And when I opened the saris, they were exactly the same, the ones I had with me. So I took out both the saris and showed her, "See, this is the example. This is how it is. Always everything comes back to you when you are kind to others or if you are generous to others. You will find later on yourself, and so many have already found, they can't understand from where the money is coming. Just it works out that you get money whenever you want. Just forget it and it comes to you. People who are meticulously counting their money all the time, every morning, are never satisfied, and also they haven't got the blessings of any kind. But if you just leave the worry of money to God, everything works out. So, what do we understand? That it is all in the hands of God Almighty. After coming to Sahaja Yoga, you don't have to worry about anything. Leave it in the hands of God, and everything will work out. There is No need for you to go on telling people that, oh, I am so much worried, I have no money, I have no money. That shows that you are not yet Sahaja-Bees. So, if you have to improve those who are your neighbors or your friends or your country, first of all, you have to be very mature Sahaja-Bees. So the Lakshmi is already awakened within you. She resides in your Nabhi Chakra. So, with your Lakshmi awakened, why should you worry about money? So then, this last, her symbolic hand says that those who are under your protection, you must look after them. That means you have to bless everyone who comes in contact with you. And you have to worry about all the people who are under your control. This symbol is not only for the ladies, but more for the men. A man who is in the business has to respect his wife. His wife should be respectable. If she is not, then auspiciousness will not come in that family. So you get all these blessings of Lakshmi if your housewife is good person. This symbol of Lakshmi is expressing a kind of a personality that is expected of a woman or a man who have got the blessings of money. So that is I was telling you about the first day, what is it, second day, what is it. But main thing is that on a Diwali day, we have to worship the Lakshmi. So today when we are worshipping Lakshmi, the men also have to know that they have to have a complete balance in life. So there are, as I said, many aspects, but one of them very important is that Sri Rama killed Ravana on 10 days before, they say, and was crowned on today. He was crowned today. So his wife was Sita. She was also made the queen. And in their life, it is shown how she remained absolutely dedicated to him. So in Sahaj culture, we have to be special people. We cannot be like other people who are just running after money and doing everything just to ruin themselves. So that in Sahaj culture, we have to meditate, get our satisfaction about everything within ourselves, and also we have to be like the Lakshmi children, the children of Lakshmi. So there are two aspects of this thing we have understood is that Lakshmi fulfills all our monetary needs, plus also she gives us all the balance, all the joy, all the bliss in the family. Now, the problem is with us that unless and until we meditate, unless and until we reach that state of satisfaction, we cannot see the work of this divine power. For all the people from Eastern countries could worship the Lakshmi, or you can say worship their own Kundalini, then whole of this problem of money will be solved. And such a change will come that those countries which today do appear to be poorer than the rest of the European world will become quite rich by the blessings of Sri Lakshmi. Now, I have to take you to a very subtler side of life. And that subtler side is that with the blessings of Sri Lakshmi or Mahalakshmi, now you have achieved your self-realization. And the Mahalakshmi principle is that you rise much above your mundane life into the realm of self-realization. So by her blessings, you become like lotuses yourselves. Now you become the another aspect of Diwali, which means the rose of lights. Sri Rama's crowning or any other aspect of Sri Lakshmi here now becomes your own crowning. That is, you have now entered into the kingdom of God. And once you are there, then automatically, as the citizens of God's kingdom, you are blessed. And as you become the lotuses, then you start spreading your fragrance all around. The generosity at another level, at a lower level, is transformed into this universal love. Whatever you gain, whatever joy, satisfaction, vibrations, knowledge, all that you want to give it to others. You want to spread it because now you got the reality and you don't want to keep it to yourself. You think it is very important that everyone in the world should know about reality. This is significant in putting these lights, that now you are the lights.
We'll sit in silent meditation for 2 minutes. Please keep your attention on the top of your head. Please try to check your vibrations on your hands. Are you feeling the cool breeze? Keep your left hand on your lap and keep the right hand on the top of your forehead, 3-4 inches above. Check to see if you feel anything cool or warm. Now check with your left hand and right hand on your lap. Bend your head a little bit. Now you can keep both your hands on the lap. You can open your eyes. If you have your ice pack with you, you can keep it on your liver while we progress with the session. That's the below the rib cage, the top part of your stomach. Today's topic is the Nabhi Chakra, or the third energy center. It's also called as the solar plexus. It has got 10 petals or subplexuses. It's green in color, and it has the water element, which is governing the planet is Jupiter, and it's the middle finger, the left side, that's the left Nabhi, and the right middle finger is the right Nabhi. So and you can see the position on the feet, it's showing as the big toe. As Shumataji talked about the Mahalakshmi principle in today's talk, so Nabhi, the main quality of when this Nabhi chakra is awakened after our self-realization, we feel peaceful, we feel content, satisfied with whatever we have. And we become generous and righteous. The left Nabhi represents all our family. If the left Nabhi is catching, then we may be having some household problems or family issues. Also, if we are not satisfied with what we have, so this center gets a catch. So it is, and when after our Kundalini is awakened, when this left Nabhi gets nourished, we feel that we want others also to feel satisfied. You know, we become generous, and we are satisfied with how the Almighty is carrying us through life. And we enjoy the food we eat, because Nabhi represents, that's the navel. So whatever we food that we intake, so we so it's by the Almighty's grace we become satisfied and peaceful and generous personality. Now let's talk a little bit about the right Nabhi. The right Nabhi is when we are, for example, worried about our financial situation, or we have family worries, and then we are going against the principle of the right Nabhi. So trusting in the Almighty that He's taking care of our well-being, rather than being always worrisome. And also the kind of, if in case we are putting wrong food, that also hits up our liver. So we are always eating in a hurry, that also can cause a block in our right Nabhi. So, and the central Nabhi, that is the navel. So when we feel satisfied and balanced, that is by the grace of Almighty, that's when this center gets nourished and energized. We have a, Mayank, can you show the slide about the void a little bit? Or the subtle center chart? So around our Nabhi, there is a circle which is called as the void. So in the stomach, the basic principle is of water. And like carbon has 4 valencies, we have 10 valencies within us, or the 10 commandments, or the 10 dharmas. So when the Kundalini rises and our centers, they get nourished and awakened, we start to leave all the false ideas, which, when we listen to people. So important is that we become our own guru. We become our own masters, rather than we go to somebody and bow down our head, and somebody else tells. But we can become our own masters. That's what Sahaj Yoga, the practice of Sahaj Yoga, it eventually, we become our own masters. And through our vibratory awareness, we come to know where we are catching, where we need to slow down, where we need to put a brake, where we need to accelerate in our lives. And so automatically we develop certain qualities within us of discipline, humility, introspection, gravity, sincerity, patience, detachment. So when we are following anybody false or so our spirit, which resides in our heart, that is our guide. That guides us. So we'll tell you more in detail. But we can do a small affirmation right now. You can keep your right hand on the left part of your stomach, left hand on the top part of your stomach, and sorry, left hand is on the lap and right hand is on the left top part of the stomach. And you can just press it a little bit, and you can say with full confidence 10 times, Mother, I am my own guru. 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 You can put your hand back on your lap. So we are, is there anything else, Vikas, you would like in the content part? I think the content part is over for today. We are open for any questions. Your voice is breaking.
Hello?
No, still.
Can you hear now?
It's still breaking.
No?
No.
I think we can open the session for interactions with seekers. Maybe they can tell us something about their experiences or some queries.
Yes, certainly.
Hello.
Yes, Dipankar ji.
Yeah, Jai Shri Mataji. I have one question. When you say the left side or right side of any chakra is catching, can you exactly? I mean, what exactly you mean by catching? Uh,
Uh, like you will feel like when you meditate, when you've done your left and right clearance, left and right balancing, and when you've also done you put both your hands towards Mother Earth, and then you finally put both your hands on the lap. You will feel that vibratory awareness in your fingertips, left and right, both hands. It could be a particular finger. It could be for example, Nabi is the left, the middle finger. So if you feel anything, any burning sensation or a tingling or any warm in just one particular, so it will indicate that you need to correct, you need to focus on that particular chakra. And it's like you become your own doctor. So the what we discussed about left, right, they were about like there could be the reasons. If somebody is experiencing those situations in their life. So did I answer?
yeah, thanks. I mean, you mean even a tingling sensation is, I mean, currently what I'm feeling is basically tingling sensation only, like the blood flowing through the fingers, and then there is some tingling sensation. और
Like
चींटियां आती हैं, जैसे अपन
जैसे
हिंदी में,
हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं ना झंझनाहट.
हाँ नहीं, लेकिन चींटियां आना जो बोलते हैं ना,
अच्छा
या
हाँ, तो मतलब कुछ ना कुछ फिर वो इंडिकेट, इट्स इंडिकेटिंग, that's an
So,
indication that
Dipankar ji, that's why we've kept the Saturday session.
okay, okay,
So, on Saturday, we'll do the cleansing of all the three chakras.
okay,
So
okay,
then you'll feel the flow of vibration. Moreover, if your Vishuddhi chakra,
yeah,
from which the hands are connected, if it is not opened properly,
yeah,
then again you might not feel the breeze on your hands properly.
okay,
So for that, what you can do is, can you just let me.
that's just shaking off your whatever your vibrations you're feeling, just shake off the negativity. You can do it
okay,
with both hands.
okay,
And blow on your hands.
okay,
पहले झटक दो जोर से और फिर हाथ पे ब्लो करो. Now just keep your hands at the level of your heart. Now what do you feel on your hands, Dipankar?
yeah, okay,
Now has the breeze increased?
yes,
Okay. So this is just the Vishuddhi chakra from which our hands are connected.
oh my goodness, okay,
So it will take some time.
okay,
Maybe these chakra clearing workshops we'll do every Saturday.
okay,
Until next Saturday, we'll come over to Vishuddhi chakra also. So once that chakra is cleansed, you feel the breeze more.
okay, thank you, Ji, thank you,
And initially, we have to take affirmations of all the chakras in meditation. So probably by next Wednesday or Thursday, we'll share the affirmations of all the chakras.
okay, sir, thank you very much.
And Shweta ji, you were
Shweta ji has
asking,
asked.
she texted me something. I
Yes,
couldn't read.
I was asking this only, that how to clear the blockages. So just now you demonstrated that
So
shaking hands and
no, that is not the right way to clear blockages. It was just to showcase that there are vibrations, but due to some reason or the other, you are not able to feel it. For cleansing the chakras and blockages, we have to use Srimataji's photograph and the five elements. Like, for example, candle. Am I audible, Shweta?
yes, yes, yes.
So when the
Yes, yes.
vibrations coming from Srimataji's photograph, they cross through the candle and fall on your chakra cleanses.
But but this chakra is not the fire element. The fire element was the
Fire
previous
element is
chakra,
for left side. It is for the left side overall,
left side. Okay, all the
and
chakras left side.
specifically for the Swadhisthana.
Yes, yes. For the Nadi chakra, which element? It is the air element, I think you said.
For Nabhi chakra, it is
Water.
water element.
Water element.
So what we do in foot soak is for Nabhi.
Yes. So foot soak
What's his name?
will help.
Mayank, can you show Srimataji's photograph? Now what you can do, Shweta and Pankar, if you put your left hand towards Srimataji's photograph, and right hand, there is Nabi, where your navel is? Shweta, Dipankar, can you
Yes,
answer?
yes, of course.
Dipankar,
Yes, yes.
now take your hand to the left of your navel, not on the navel, to the left of navel, your right hand.
Yes.
This is the chakra called left nabi. So this is the chakra for peace. So you can pray to Shrimataji. Shrimataji, कृपया मुझे शांति प्रदान कीजिए. This is the chakra of the Graha Lakshmi. You can pray Shrimataji, कृपया मेरे ग्रस्त जीवन की सभी बाधाओं को दूर कर दीजिए. Mother, please clear my left nabi. So we are now requesting the coefficients of energy which is awakened in Srimataji's photograph to send in vibrations through our right hand through our left hand via our right hand to our left nabi. Now you can just take away this hand away from your body, little away, and rotate clockwise 7 times. And take out the bada.
Kaji, your voice is breaking. It's breaking a lot.
Can you please repeat?
Sangeeta ji?
Yes, yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Can you just show them how to take out the bada on left nabi? Can you show in video? Maybe you can stand and tell.
Yes, yes. So where our
Mayank, do
navel
the
is,
spotlight video, man.
where the navel is,
Yeah.
left
Left-
hand
left
hand
navel.
would be in front of Srimataji, and right hand.
Yes.
So we'll do clockwise 7 times. नेवल के लेफ्ट साइड में ऐसे करके
Clockwise. Circle. Yes.
You
और
are
फिर
doing
उसको ऐसे
anti-clockwise.
नहीं आपको तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज दिखेगा ना.
नहीं क्लॉकवाइज कर रहे हैं. हाँ
अच्छा,
क्लॉकवाइज
okay.
करेंगे.
मैं तो अपने क्लॉकवाइज ही कर रही हूँ.
हाँ राइट.
नहीं आप anti-clockwise कर.
ठीक लग रही है।
चलो ठीक है, कीजिए और इनको दिखाइए बाहर कैसे निकालेंगे इसको।
हाँ, now just shake it. जैसे विकास
Take it out.
हाँ, just take it out, just shake your hand. ऐसे झटक दीजिए जैसे।
Yes, I do feel a cool breeze.
Okay. So on the left hand middle finger, Dipankar, that is the
Yeah.
place of left navi. Okay.
Oh, yes.
So Mayank, can you show Shrimataji's picture again? Mayank. Now Dipankar and Shweta. Now look at mother's picture and you rotate on the left navi. Left hand towards mother's picture and rotate with right hand on left navi and take out the bana till you feel the coolness on the left middle finger. Now Shweta, do you feel cool?
Yes, I am feeling little better. And
Okay, and
some
Dipankar?
vibrations also, cool vibrations.
I am feeling some vibrations.
Okay, not the coolness now, till now.
थोड़ा
Dipankar,
थोड़ा.
you
Yeah.
have the candle with you?
Yes.
Is it burning?
Yes.
Can you take the candle in your right hand?
Done.
Now rotate it in clockwise in front of your left navi. Keep the left hand towards mother's picture.
Yeah.
Because this is the left side, na? The left side has to be cleared with the candle. Move it slowly. Now, do you feel better?
Yes.
Now you can take away the candle. So we'll
Yes,
do one full workshop on how we do the candling to all chakras on the left side.
Okay.
But we have to remember when we are doing candling, we have to have Srimataji's photograph because the vibrations coming from the photograph, they are cleansing through the candle.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So, but what we'll do on Saturday would be we might be doing ragas for each of us, have ragas. So we'll be singing that specific raga for the Muladhara, Swadhisthana and Nabhi. And then via that, via the music, will cleanse these chakras. So the moment these chakras are cleansed, then it would be easy for Mother Kundalini to cleanse the upper chakras. Right?
Yeah.
And for left nabi, if
Left
nabi is
navi
catching
done,
more,
yes. Right
so
one,
we have
right is catching.
so
Right, then
right is
ice
catching.
pack.
Then you know what you
For
have to
right,
do is
okay.
your left hand, Shweta,
Yes, yes.
your left hand you need to keep on the right navi.
Okay. Yes.
Mayank, is there the picture of liver in this slide of nabi? Mayank? Is there any picture? No?
No.
No, achha, no. So you put up Shrimatiji's picture. So Shweta, your left hand has
Yes.
to be on your right navi. Take
Right.
it away from the navi towards the right. Take it to the extreme right. That is where
Okay.
our liver is. And keep your right hand towards Shrimati.
Okay.
And you can now pray to Shrimati like this. Can you see Mayank? Mayank, keep your hand a little low, Mayank. Not on the liver. No, you can stand, Mayank. You can stand. Not on the liver. First keep on liver. So this is where our liver is. But you keep it down, Mayank, on the right navi. Take it down. Yeah. Shweta, can you see him?
Yes, I can see.
Shweta?
Yes, I can see.
Yeah. Now your right hand towards Shrimatiji's photograph. Mayank, you can switch off. And you can pray to Shrimataji that, Mother, please clear my right navi. Please give me pure attention. या इसको आप अटेंशन का अच्छा शब्द हिंदी में है चित्त, तो आप कह सकते हैं श्री माता जी कृपया मेरे चित्त को दृढ़ कर दीजिए, उसे हिमालय की तरह दृढ़ कर दीजिए, उसे चंद्रमा की तरह शीतल कर दीजिए। श्री माता जी कृपया मेरे चित्त को हिमालय की तरह दृढ़ कर दीजिए, उसे चंद्रमा की तरह शीतल कर दीजिए। कृपया मेरे दाएं नाभि चक्र को स्वच्छ कर दीजिए। मदर प्लीज क्लेंस माय राइट नाभि। अब अपना ये हैंड वापस ले आएंगे। शीतल जी, श्वेता जी, कैन यू हियर मी श्वेता?
I can hear you, Vikas ji.
हाँ जी, अब आपको यहाँ पे ठंडा लगा कि नहीं लगा?
लगा
राइट
है
नाभि की
ठंड।
फिंगर जो है।
Yes, थोड़ा लगा है
अच्छा,
ठंडा।
दीपांकर
yes.
जी आपको? दीपांकर जी आपको?
सर मैंने ये राइट वाला नहीं किया।
ओह अच्छा, आपको भी साथ में करना चाहिए था। हाँ, पर ऐसा है श्वेता एंड दीपांकर,
या
सो ये जो चक्र है ना हमारा, यूजुअली ये कैच करता है
ओके
when we go out to work and everything, तो इसी चक्र के लिए आइस पैक करता है।
ओके
ठीक है श्वेता जी?
Yes, जी विकास जी, thank you.
ये हमारा लिवर गर्म हो जाता है, हमारे जब बहुत ज्यादा थॉट्स आते हैं, रिएक्शंस आते हैं, हम लोग गुस्सा भी आता है, तो ये लिवर गर्म होने की वजह से। फिर इसकी हीट अगर लेफ्ट नाभि पे चले जाती है तो फिर वो मन की शांति वो सब भी खराब हो जाती है। तो सबसे पहली चीज है हमारे को लिवर को ठंडा करना। तो उसके लिए फुट सोकिंग करते हुए आप आइस पैक लगा सकते हैं, पर ये तभी लगाना जब वहाँ प्रॉब्लम है। अगर नहीं लगाना तो कोई बात नहीं, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो आइस पैक लगाने की जरूरत नहीं। लीला आंटी, would you like to add anything I think there has been a rainstorm in Uttarakhand today. So Auntie could not lead meditation.
But you know what? Again, we should have really confidence. 3 minutes before we started, the rain stopped and electricity came back. So again, it shows have confidence.
Yes,
That
divine
it works.
intervention.
Yes,
Yes.
absolute.
So then Auntie, you should have come and led the meditation today.
No, you did it very good. Neetu was very good. I enjoyed it to be with you like that and do it also. So it was very good.
But
Because when
Auntie,
I said I cannot lead because I thought I didn't have enough electricity, it was only 20 still. So I said it's no use to start and then it's stopping in the middle. So, but then the divine really stopped everything, the rain, and brought electricity back. Normally it's not happening like this, but it just again, it shows we should have confidence in ourselves and in the divine and in all our powers that we have also. So thank you, everyone.
Yes. Yes.
so beautiful, Auntie. Very nice. Thank you.
So Auntie, we are waiting for the Saturday morning session. And
What
maybe
time?
we can invite 6:30. Is it okay?
6:30, okay.
6:30?
Yeah, for me it's okay.
Maybe, Auntie, we can invite more people. The people you've
Yes, we
given
can.
realization in Dev Prayag, you've given realization to some people. Huh? They can also join in. I'll share the link.
Well, yeah, you share the link and I will send to some people. Okay. So if they want to do with us, they can.
Okay,
Yeah, good idea.
You're comfortable. You're comfortable with Hindi, Shweta and Dipankar?
Yes,
Yes, of course.
of course.
Okay. Then we'll invite more people so that everyone takes the benefit when we do the
Yeah.
music meditation.
It's good. Mm-hmm.
And Neetu Didi, maybe you can invite the Bengal people also.
Yes, Bhaiya, I have
Let's
decided
have
to. I'll invite.
10, 15 people. 10, 15 people, so it would be good.
Yes, Bhaiya. There are many seekers, like they would really love to join a musical meditation. I'll invite them, Bhaiya.
Mm-hmm. Nice, very nice. Good idea.
Auntie, you want to say something to Dipankar and Shweta? They were talking about left Nabi and right Nabi.
No, they were good. They were good, good students. They were doing good. But just wanted to say that in front, you go clockwise to clean the chakras. And when you are on your own back, or if you work on the back of somebody, you go anti-clockwise.
Back of somebody means like
Means
to do
like
some,
we can give ourself vibration, we can give
Okay.
also vibration to somebody. And if we want to
Somebody else.
clear the somebody, his chakra, we always do it from the back, not from the front. And there we do clockwise, anti-clockwise. But when we do it in the front of us, we do it clockwise.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank you. This is important. This is very
Absolutely.
important to know.
When the lockdown opens up and you go to a Sahaj Yoga center,
Yes.
then when you tell them that you are new, so somebody will sit at your back and he'll cleanse your chakras.
Sure.
Men do the cleansing of men and women do the cleansing of women. So from the
Okay.
back side, they'll give you vibrations. So that really helps initially to cleanse.
So they have done that for me when I go. Sometimes they do it for me themselves. Only
Okay.
they invite me. He come.
Okay.
Yeah, they do
In
it
a
for
way,
me.
you're very lucky because
Yes.
we try to go to the NGO. There is a hospital there also, Sahaj Yoga Hospital. So you
Yeah,
go there
in Greater
every day.
Noida.
Yeah. Auntie, she's a teacher there, you know. She
I
teaches the
teach.
NGO girls.
Good, very nice.
Yes. I
Mhm.
teach them science and just like that they sometimes invite me to clean, like we'll do it for you. They invite me for that.
Very good. This is very nice.
They're very loving girls, very loving.
Mm-hmm.
Dipankar, did you get the ghee kapoor?
Nice, sir.
One of our mentors, Jayant Patankar,
Yeah.
so he was a little occupied for last 2 weeks. He couldn't join our batch. So I discussed with him about you. He wanted to talk to you, and he has a lot of. He is basically from Borivali,
Oh, okay.
but nowadays he is in Delhi. So he was telling me that he'll tell somebody in Kalyan to hand you over the ghee kapoor.
No, I'll go tomorrow to a market. I'll get the Bhimseni Kapoor.
Okay,
So
is it
only
open
3
now?
hours that it is open among shops. So I'll try and get
Okay.
it.
Where exactly in Kalyan do you live?
I live in a place called as near Birla College.
Birla College. Okay. ठीक है.